Hello kids, welcome to the world of numbers. I'm Mr. Numbers, and today we're going to discover the magic of the 2 times table. Get ready for a fun journey with numbers, apples, balloons, and lots of surprises. Multiplication is like adding the same number again and again. Let me show you. Imagine this tree has 2 apples on each branch. If the tree has 3 branches, how many apples are there in total? Let's count together. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Or we can simply say 2 times 3 equals 6. Isn't that magical? Now let's learn the 2 times table step by step. Repeat after me. Just 1 pair of apples. 2 pairs of apples. 3 pairs of apples. 4 pairs of apples. 5 pairs of apples. 6 pairs of apples. Fantastic. Now let's say the whole 2 times table together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Great job, everyone. Now let's see how much you've learned. I'll ask a question and you try to answer before the timer runs out. What is 2 times 4? What is 2 times 5? What is 2 times 3? Wow, you're amazing. Keep practicing and you'll master multiplication in no time. Look at these groups of balloons. How many are there in total? That's right, 4 groups of 2 equals 8. Or we can say 2 times 4 equals 8. Today, we learned the magic of the 2 times table. Remember, multiplication is just repeated addition. Practice every day, and soon you'll know all your tables. I'll see you next time for more fun with numbers. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.